Hey there, Excel enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for an easier way to enter, edit, and manage data in Excel, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into data forms, a hidden gem in Excel that can make data entry a breeze. Trust me, once you learn this trick, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. So, what's a data form? Simply put, it's a built-in tool that lets you enter, edit, delete, and find data in a structured form, making it faster, easier, and less prone to errors than manual entry. Let's say my boss asks me to create a table with every employee's name, start date, department, and office location. Here's a quick way to convert your data into a table. Select any cell in your data range. Press Ctrl+T, shortcut lovers. This one's for you. In the Create Table window, make sure the range is correct and check the box for My Table has headers. Click OK. Boom. You now have a formatted table. The Quick Access Toolbar is that handy little bar at the top of Excel where you can add your favorite tools. To add the Data Form button, click the small drop-down arrow in the Quick Access Toolbar. Select More Commands. In the Excel Options window, under Choose Commands from, select All Commands. Scroll down to Form, click Add, and hit OK. And just like that, the Form button is ready to go. Now that we have the tool, let's see what it can do. Click any cell in your table. Click the Form button in the Quick Access toolbar. You'll see a pop-up window with labelled fields, each one representing a column from your table. Want to add a new employee? Click New. Fill in the fields with their name, start date, department, and office. Press Enter or click New again to save the entry to your table. Let's say you need to update an employee's department. Use Find Next or Find Previous to locate their record. Click into the field and edit the information. Click Close, and your table updates automatically. No need to manually scroll through rows. Accidentally added someone who doesn't belong? No worries. Find their record using Find Next. Click Delete and confirm. Poof, they're gone. Ever needed to filter data without sorting? The Criteria button is your best friend. For example, let's find all employees in the IT department. Click Criteria. Type IT into the department field. Click Find Next to jump through each matching entry. It's like an instant filter without changing your table structure. OK. I made up an employee for this tutorial. Let's remove him. Use Find Next to locate his entry. Click Delete and confirm. Just like that, Mike is out, and your data stays clean. Why use data forms? If you manually enter data often, data forms will save you so much time. They reduce errors by organising data entry fields, help edit, delete, and find records faster, work perfectly for large tables without endless scrolling. And there you have it. A simple yet powerful way to manage data efficiently in Excel. Give it a try, and let me know in the comments how it worked for you. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more Excel tips and tricks. Happy excelling!